Guys, we're back again with this saw once again, but it was not. I needed it, and I unwaterlocked it from my previous video. If you guys watched that, but it won't start, and it pops down. So we're gonna do a little bit of work too. I'm in a different shop. Nice. It's like the easiest way to work on any saw for a beginner, with advice, which most farmers do. Put this handbrake on. We're in the shop with all the tools. I literally just need a flathead and I can't. There we go. We're gonna go to pull this cover off. Yes, it's MS-162, and I need to pull this cover off. Oh. Yes, this is a pretty much the same video of what I'm doing. I'm just in a different shot. So it won't start, but this choke will not work with the cover on. So I don't know what's going on here. But let's try to start it with the choke. See what happens. Alright, it runs. Finally. Gonna be a shorter video here. Unless we find something majorly wrong. With the reasoning of this. But I think it's something to do. Let me turn this around for you guys. Scraped. Not like you. Say sorry. Yeah, never mind. All right. Around. Actually, here, I'll show you guys what I mean. So look, see this right here? This is kind of like loose, sticking out, and I think it catches. Where you put the choke on, I think it catches. So I'm gonna see if I can't fix this. All right, we need some new ones. The extra long brand new bottom today. Pittsburgh pliers. Shout out to Pittsburgh. If you guys want to sponsor me or anything, I could use some free tools from Pittsburgh. With my 10 views that I get. And I know that Pittsburgh is not gonna get this video or watch it. I don't even think I've ever seen anyone get a sponsorship with Pittsburgh. I'd love to be a candidate. I just don't know how to put this freaking choke back on. I'm just a casual kid trying to get a choke back on a freaking steel saw. Using my Pittsburgh tools. Cheap Pittsburgh tools. Oh, yes, sir. Okay. Okay. And that's probably gonna stop working, but it is what it is. Let's just see. I'm gonna set this in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It works. Oh, look at the air filter. Else we're gonna be having tons more issues with this. So actually on this saw, this saw kept on getting super hard to start during the winter. And I didn't think it was getting enough air. So here, I'll show you guys here in a minute. But once I get this stuff screwed back on, I actually took off like the screen and stuff for the exhaust. And I know I'm gonna have people hate on that, but this thing starts a lot easier and it sounds a lot better. I need to get a ported exhaust for it, but we'll go ahead and see if she functions correctly. Also, another shout out to if you guys watch Buck and Billy Ray, he does chainsaw videos. Good guy. She works pristine. First of all, while we're on the video, I guess we could just go and check the barn chain. Yeah, I think I'll need some of that. We'll go grab some of that, guys. Alright, so we're just walking to the shop, going to grab some barn chain oil. Barn chain oil required. I just use the steel wood cutter. Most of the time I just use the cheapest crap I can find, but I was in Real King and I couldn't find the cheap one. So I figured, why not buy something expensive for once? Rare. I am a deal pitcher. It's got plenty of gas, it seems. You guys can see that right there. Let's see where that barn chain oil is. I'm actually using the camera. It's actually kind of nice for this. $5 a liter. And I know a lot of people will be hating on me why spend money on this for barn chain oil when you can just use motor oil. Use motor oil anyway. Number one, it's a new saw and they're built. It tears up new saws. On the old 028 that I bought, once I get it fixed, I will probably use the cheapest stuff I can find because it's really kind of built for that. You know, most of these big, like, fancy barn chain oil specific for saws not around back then, so. Well, now we got this. And kind of take off the chain brake and if you're one of the very few viewers that actually watch my videos, thank you. Have a great day.